API-led architecture. Here you can see the API-led architecture. API-led connectivity is multi-layered approach that scales IT capability through its emphasis on modular components. Decentralized authority over application development, reusable assets, application development and reusable assets. It is a functional shift. It is a fundamental shift in the IT operating model and promotes decentralized access to data and capability while retaining security. API-led connectivity calls for distinct connectivity building block with three components: interface, presentation data. Interface, the presentation of data in a governed and secured form via an API. Orchestration, application of logic of data such as transformation and enrichment. Connectivity, access to source data, whether from physical systems or external services. System layer. System APIs provide means of accessing underlying systems of record, for example ERP, billing systems, etc., and exposing that data while providing downstream insulation from any interface changes or rationalization of these systems. These APIs are changed more frequently and are governed by central IT given the importance of underlying system. Process layer, the business processes that interact with and shape this data should be encapsulated independently of the source systems from which data originates, as well as the channels through which data is delivered. These process APIs perform specific function, provide access to non-centralized data, and may be built by either central IT or line of business IT. Experience layer, data is now consumed across a broad set of channels, each of which want to access the same data but in a variety of different formats. Experience APIs reconfigure data so that it is most easily consumed by its intended audience, all from a common data source, as opposed to setting up separate point-to-point integration for each channel. Here you can see the Experience API, purpose-built APIs for apps. And Experience API interacts with Process APIs, orchestration, composable APIs, and microservices. Process APIs interacts with system APIs, legacy modernization, connectivity to SaaS apps, and web services, and RESTful apps. And system APIs interacts with SaaS apps, mainframe, web services, FTP files, databases, legacy systems, and applications. Here, accessibility and ownership here. So, central IT, then LOB, DOV, IT, then AppDev. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.